Okay, this is day 2 of the garage build. Yesterday was hard work, mainly deciding and getting the frame right on the bottom. After a couple of phone calls to Walton's, we decided the frame at the bottom goes flat. This piece goes flat on the floor. And then it's just a case of starting building. The first slat gets nailed down onto each of the sides, screwed down, 5 screws in each, and then you can just start slatting on the pieces of wood, and they are all numbered like this. That's a 6. This is paint by numbers, garage by numbers. So it's going up a treat. So we've stopped at 6 slats there because the window goes in. I can remember all the slats at the back are number 10. Slats at that side are number 7. They're number 6s. I can't remember what number they are, but the small ones are 13s and 14s. So we are getting there. This is just after a full day working on it. The biggest job is actually just getting the base right and just making sure that it measures correctly all the way around. We had a bit of trouble with this side here because the pieces of wood on this side are proper bowing, sort of the wood's very bent, but someone who works in the wood industry said that all the wood's like that at the minute, a lot of it's warped, so there's a bit of a problem with pulling this upwards, so it's pulling all this up, fanning up, so we've had to put some battening on the back there, just temporarily until the roof and everything's on, and screw it down to the concrete there. So that's just a little temporary measure, but it does feel quite solid. But there's no more screws required apart from your bottom ones, so those are the only ones you screw in, your bottom rung into the sort of base unit, and then the rest is just stacked on top of each other. So yeah, this is it. We're getting on. Luckily it's dry weather, thankfully, so we've brought everything in the garden here, what we can, laid it all out. As you can see, all the pieces are numbered. There is a lot of pieces of wood. Once you start, it's not that difficult really, but it's hard work. And as it's getting higher, it's getting harder to lift them in. So you do need to be a bit strong. I've got my dad helping today, thankfully. So yeah, here's the rest of it still to go in, so you can see it's quite a substantial lot of stuff goes into making a wooden garage. Anyway, we'll sign off, get cracking, and we'll show you some progress later.